Completely remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home situated on an expansive corner lot with an easy commute to Dallas. Features a desirable split-bedroom floor plan for ideal privacy and fresh interior paint throughout. The updated kitchen boasts brand new cabinetry, durable Corian countertops, and updated sinks. Both bathrooms are refreshed with new vanities, sinks, and toilets. Enjoy a spacious, private yard on a prime lot in an established neighborhood. Turnkey and ready for move-in? Schedule your showing today.